What's up guys, Lego Master 33 here, and welcome back to another haul. Sadly it's another vidio haul, but not the Konami custom, sadly, sorry about that. But those just sadly haven't came in the mail yet. So this is really as good. I just took all the items out of a bag, but it's actually just a Lego store thing. Here's the bag, it's pretty nice. And let's go straight into the haul. So, it's Chinese New Year, so since I spent over $88, I get this free promotional Year of the Dog thing, which is great. Probably sell it. I don't know if I build it. Yeah, I'm just gonna build it. Seems pretty cool. What you're supposed to do, which I'm obviously not gonna do, many people won't do it, is you're supposed to basically give it to someone as a Christmas Chinese New Year thing. And it says to here, so this is where you write who you want to give it to, obviously, and from, so whoever you are and whoever you're giving it to. And here, and it's very nice because it opens up just like this. Yep. Seen videos about this. Comes with 3 whole bags, so it's very nice because it's kind of like a mini battle pack, and it's pretty good. You only spend $88 and you get a free thing, and it's pretty decent size. What you get in it is the instructions here. The instructions look pretty big. Yeah, it's got the sorting thing. Anyways, there's that. And just put it away. Here's the interesting. This is what you're supposed to do. So what you're supposed to do is open it up. Get this little card thing here. Put money in it, which is like, you know, older people, you're supposed to do that. And then put it back in, write who your thing is, and give it to someone. So what this here is, well, I'm not a giving person, I guess. I don't know, I'm just joking. I just have like no one to give it to. It says here 2018, nice gold writing. And the dog. Very nice. And it's got like 3D, I don't know what you call it. You can feel it. And it's got a really nice chrome gold dog here. And then here's the envelope, has a little brick. And it's where you're supposed to put money. Actually, if I would do that, I would give people like bricks or a minifigure in here. But there's just that. And here's the set. And that's basically the Lego dog thing you have to do. I don't even know. It should be a dragon, I guess. But that's the Chinese New Year free thing. And let's go straight to the haul. So, here it is. The part you've all been waiting for. I have got 1, 2. Can I make it? Oh, I failed. Okay. 3 pick-a-brick cups. If you don't know what a pick-a-brick cup is, you can stack them. If you don't know what a pick-a-brick cup, there's small pick-a-brick cups. Actually, I'll show you a small pick-a-brick cup. This is the small pick-a-brick cup. This is the size of the small one. I'll show you a comparison. Oh, some pieces just fell out. This is a comparison of a small and a large pick-a-brick cup. So one's half the size. No one really cares about small. So what pick-a-brick cups are, if you go to the Lego store, there's basically this giant wall of bricks. And what you do is, this is just for people who don't know. I'll explain really quickly. This is just basically these giant tubs, like these like containers, and they have like it could have a billion of these pieces, or it could have a billion of I don't know, it could have a billion of this piece, it could have a billion of this piece. No minifigures, but just pieces. There's a minifigure war later, but it's much more expensive. Well, it's basically build a minifigure for $15, you get 3. And basically what you do is you get a cup, right? And you grab all the pieces you need, and then you fill it up. So small costs about, I don't know the price actually, I forgot the price, but you get 3, you just get to fill it up, right? And there's strategies to it. You have to like fill it up, and it's not weight, it's just each cup costs a certain amount, and you have to smush everything in. So like, you should like stack them and make them really small like this. And so like, you can later go home and take them apart. And so you can like make it, you get more bricks out of your 1 cup. So it's better value. These are very expensive though, so yeah. So So, and you can also fit, and you tape it down, I recommend sometimes, and then you can also fit stuff in here. So with the first pick-a-brick cup, this is what I got. So if I pour everything out, I think I should do it. Yep. I'm gonna pour everything out. There you go. So I got basically most of the pieces I wanted are these 4x4 plates for the mock. So I got a row of this. I just took everything out real quick. So I'm not gonna really be organized. I'll just show you what I got. I'm gonna take the camera away. Okay. So here's what I got. I got basically a bunch of these pieces, and actually I'm just gonna put the camera back. Sorry about this, guys. Here are basically what I got. I got a bunch of stacks of these and a bunch of these stacks. So I don't know, in this one I got about around 200 of these pieces. I don't know. In everything I got about, I don't know. So I can just like get a brick separator and clip these pieces. So those pieces. And oh, I didn't realize I had this in here. One of these, I guess. And the rest is just excess pieces. I got a bunch of these pieces, a bunch of these 1x1 white studs for snow. And the coolest part about this is I got a ton of these pieces. So what I can do with these is stack them up and make like flying. These are clear pieces. So I'm so happy that I had those. So basically all of those. And that's the first cup. Now let's move on to the second cup. This is the second cup. It consists of mainly, I'll show you. Open it up. Got a bunch of stuff. I got like a sea of pieces, jeez. So basically I got a bunch more of these. This is basically just an overall of all the pieces I got. Pretty cool. Got a lot of pieces here. Sorry for the poor quality of this video. I can't find my camera, so I'm using a bad quality camera. So a lot of these pieces for fire, snow, basically. And we're moving on to the last pick-a-brick cup, which consists of some different pieces. So if I open this up, here's the lid. And if I pour it out, boom, there you go. I've got now a completely ginormous collection of random pieces. Not random, but you see a pattern. I got a bunch of these blue pieces, got a bunch of these black pieces, and a lot more trans blue studs. Like, I'm talking a lot for my ocean, for my mock. Oh yes, and these are going to be like the barriers. And I've got a bunch of snow pieces, and yeah, that's basically the haul. So, hope you guys enjoyed. There's an overview of some more pieces. I'm gonna start building later. I might do a live stream. I don't know. Yeah. So this is basically my giant haul. Very cool. I love these pick-a-brick cups. You get lots of value. Like, look at all of this. This is great. I gotta choose all of this. So, like, let's say if I need 5 million of these, I can literally fill a whole pick-a-brick cup of that. But I didn't do that. You could probably get, I think, 3,000 of these tiny ones in one pick-a-brick cup. Maybe 2, I don't know. So, that's the pick-a-brick cup, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the haul. We also got the Year of the Dog thing, which is very cool. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And basically, I hope you guys enjoy for future content. Yeah. Thank you guys. I will have the Konami Customs haul soon. But But thank you guys, and see you next time. Bye.